All right, so this is our little setup that we have in front of our house. Got some bird feeders and our brand new small animal house that we just picked up right here from Trixie. We got this because we had some rabbits that were actually nesting in our front yard under some branches, but we needed to get rid of those branches, obviously. You can see the little fellow right over there. He's got a little girlfriend too, I believe. But yeah, we picked this up so that we could rehome them, give them a place to live. We threw some Timothy hay in there. They seem to enjoy it really well. But yeah, this is it. It's super easy to put together. You just have the 4 sides right here. All the holes are pre-drilled, so you don't have to worry about splitting the wood or anything. You just go right in. It took me like 5 minutes to put this thing together. Has this nice roof on it, as you can see right there. Has like the roofing material on there. Really cool. A decent size in there. There is no bottom or anything on it, so it's just open, which is nice. Makes it easy if you were to need to clean this out, pop it up, remove everything from inside or whatever you need to do. I don't plan on doing that. We're just gonna let the bunnies take care of it themselves. But yeah, we're really impressed with this. We really like it. So if you want something like this, I highly recommend it. Go ahead and check it out.